Hi guys, so in the final series from this lot of videos, we're going to do another makeup which was largely revered in the past year, and it belongs to DEEPIKA Padukone at her wedding, and that's what I'm going to try and replicate, my version of it, on beautiful Shruti here. So I'm going to get started. Her base is done. I've kept it very matte right now, but in the course of the makeup, as the skin breathes into it, it'll get more sheer. The focus of this makeup will be the eyes. It was really beautiful, big, almond-shaped, dark eyes. And I'm going to get started. I really do like using paint pots because they actually keep the makeup in place for a long time. Try and use a small amount of it. It doesn't need too much. So I'm going to start by using a dark color, which means I'm going to line the eyes with Kohl first and then build up from there. So this was just for me to shape the eyes, and that's the shape I'm going for. On the top, I'm going to begin shaping the eyes with my matte eyeshadows as I normally do. So on the corner of the eyes, I'm going to use a very deep plum. So it provides a great contrast to the gold in the center. So I'm going to now put an eyeliner on the top of her eyes as well. So I get what I'm looking for in terms of shape first. I'm using a touch of black, so not really applying a black, but I'm just accentuating the corners with a small amount of black eyeshadow. So now I've kind of got the shape in which I'm working, and so I'm going to add the gold and then take it from there. Again, standard rule, I like to start with all the shimmer right in the center of the eye. I'm using a touch of brown to blend off. Now I'm going to reapply the kohl on top. So that's largely it. I'm going to apply a touch of matte highlighter, just a little bit of a cream, but matte cream under the arch of her brow, just to brighten the eye makeup. Then using the same blending brush that you used for the brown, now you can finish off with a mascara, and of course if you like to wear lashes, that will be a great addition too. Now I'm just going to quickly contour using a matte bronze. I'm going to mix two blushes, one to give the cheeks a little bit of a highlight. I don't want to use a highlighter. So I'm using a shimmery blush, and over that I'll layer a matte blush. I'm going to layer that with a very neutral blush. Now I'm going to finish off with the lip. So again, I'm using a brownish plum lipstick. Because the lipstick is very neutral, I really like to clean up the area around because of the shadows. Just brightening up the corners using a Studio Fix. So there you go. That's my attempt and my take on Deepika's wedding look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and stay glamorous.